Below is this remote RGBW function. Two receivers have set as to zone by match code and set as RGBW type through deep switch. Press Z to choose Zone 1 receiver. Control Zone 1 receivers. Press Z to choose Zone 2 receiver. Control Zone 2 receivers. Long press Z until all zone indicate lights on. Control all zones. RGB off. RGB on. RGB coloring, choose the static color you would like. Long press brightness plus to gradually dim up. Long press brightness to gradually dim down. Mode key. There are total 8 modes for dynamic colors. Long press speed to speed down the changing. Speed plus to speed up. Off the RGB channel. Press W to on off W channel. Long press W brightness gradually dim down W channel. Long press W brightness plus to dim up. With excellent wireless sync control function, multi-pieces receivers could be controlled at same time.